Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. Here we are. It's Christmas time. Who would have thought? Well, 24th of December, guys, and today I don't have a specific bricks tricks to show you, but I have a couple things to tell you. First one is, well, actually, we could call it a trick. I just want to invite you to just embrace what we have online. We have so many good content creators, so many resources, so many courses, so many ideas running out there that it would be such a shame to not use those knowledge that we have free at our hand. Keep being passionate about what you're doing. This is the key to success. The second message I have to give you, it's a big, massive thank you for everything I've received from you guys. From little messages, comments, thoughts. Like, it was really overwhelming. Being able to do this advent calendar was something I never thought possible before. I actually did it. I'm very proud of myself. And this advent calendar was also successful thanks to you guys. It would not have been the same without you. I'm ready for 2026. I have a lot of ideas, a lot of great videos on the roadmap, and I'm so excited about it. I hope you're too. So I would say, guys, until the next time, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.